If you have potatoes and onions at home, make this delicious recipe for your dinner. I'll start by cutting 4 potatoes. At this stage, you can cut them into small pieces. This combination of potatoes and onion is perfect, believe me. I have a pan with preheated oil ready, and I'll fry all the pieces of the potatoes I cut. To this day, I haven't met anyone who refused to try this recipe. I'll add half a chopped onion. While it's frying, I'll add 6 eggs to a bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'll mix everything well until all the ingredients are nicely combined. This preparation method is exclusive and you'll only find it here. It's perfect for those who want to spend little. You can try it at home and then tell me what you think. After mixing, I'll take the potatoes I left frying and add them to these ingredients. This is the ideal point. It will have this crunchy texture and a golden color. Perfect. Let me know if you would add any other ingredient here. If you know any special secret that pairs well with fried potato, feel free to share. I'd love to know. I'll use a spoon to mix. Now, in a pan, I'll add some olive oil. I'll use a brush to spread it evenly over the whole pan. I made this yesterday for my friends, and they liked it so much that they asked me to share it with you all. It's already a routine at my house, and I'm sure once you try it, it will become one at yours too. I'll put all the ingredients from the bowl into this pan. I'll use a spoon to organize and align everything in the pan. I learned this recipe when I was young, and now I also make it for my kids, and they love it. When you make it, come back and tell me how it turned out. I'll cover it and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes. It will have this texture. I'll use a plate to flip it and cook the other side. Did you see how easy it is to make an amazing recipe with just a few ingredients? I'll cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Done. When finished, just transfer it to a plate, cut it, and serve this delicious dish. Guys, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and your entire family will love it too. I make it every weekend, and when I do, nothing is left. My family loves it and always asks me to make it. If you don't have much time to cook and want to make a perfect dinner, this is a great option. But don't forget to invite your family to enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.